friends, welcome to Law and GK. So friends, on this channel we discuss the contents of law and previous year papers of judicial services and other legal exams. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss the preliminary exam paper of HIMACHAL Pradesh Judicial Services 2019 paper criminal law. So friends, if you are new on this channel, I would like to recommend कि आप जो है इस चैनल को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए because it will be very beneficial for you in your preparation for judiciary and other legal exams. And while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for our upcoming videos. And if you like this video, just click the like button over there and appreciate this with your friends so that they can come to know about this channel as well. And अगर आपको हमारे efforts अच्छे लगे हों तो in addition to like and subscribe, kindly give us a super thanks. Super thanks is a way to help the content creator. Means if you like the videos, you can just donate some money to them in form of tips. Minimum starts with 20. Minimum is 20 rupees. देखिए, as I told you always, paper comes like this. Year mentioned here. This is series. Marks mentioned here. 60 minutes, 50 questions. रोल नंबर भरना है यहाँ पर. No negative marking. Question number 1 is the Criminal Amendment Act 2018 amended section 376(1)(a in IPC increased the punishment for the offence of rape from 7 years to. और देखिए, मैं कहूँगा क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर नहीं है बिकॉज ये जो मिनिमम पनिशमेंट थी 7 ईयर की, 7 ईयर टू लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट, अब ये 10 ईयर हो गई है, 10 ईयर टू लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट मिनिमम. इनको लिखना चाहिए यहाँ पर मिनिमम, तो 10 ईयर्स है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस रिलेटेड विद द डिफेंस ऑन द ग्राउंड ऑफ नेसेसिटी, दैट इज आर वर्सेस डुडले एंड स्टीफन्स. ए इज द आंसर. सेक्शन 81 पर है ये. डीपीपी वर्सेस बियर्ड्स किस पर है ये? इंटॉक्सिकेशन सेक्शन 85 पर. आर वर्सेस टॉल्सन ये किस पर है? मैंसरिया पर. आर वर्सेस लिपमैन ये भी इंटॉक्सिकेशन पर है, सेक्शन 86 पर. नेक्स्ट इज 3, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस वाइल्ड बीस्ट टेस्ट वाज प्रोपाउंडेड, दैट वाज आर वर्सेस आर्नोल्ड. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज 4, मैच करना है अटेम्प्ट का केस कौन सा है? ये है कोपुला वेंकटराव वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ आंध्रा, इसका हो गया 4. मैंसरिया कौन सा है? स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र वर्सेस एम एच जॉर्ज. फिर इंसैनिटी दया भाई वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात. फिर कॉमन इंटेंशन गिरजा शंकर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ यूपी. तो क्या बन गया इसका? 4, 3, 2, 1. बी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 5, रिमूवल ऑफ ऑर्नामेंट फ्रॉम द बॉडी ऑफ वन आफ्टर कॉजिंग हिज डेथ कंस्टिट्यूट्स एन ऑफेंस अंडर सेक्शन 404. डी इज द आंसर. 392 क्या है? पनिशमेंट है किसकी? रॉबरी की. 379 पनिशमेंट फॉर थेफ्ट. 420 on cheating. Okay. Next 6, to preserve one life is generally speaking a duty, but it may be the highest duty to sacrifice it. This observation made in Queen versus Dudley versus Stephen by, तो ये कहा था लॉर्ड कॉलरिज ने. बी इसका आंसर रहेगा. Next 7, section 153AA has been inserted in the IPC by which of the following Criminal Law Amendment Act of 2005. C is the answer. Next is 8, in which of the following case common intention and similar intention were differentiated? Mehboob Shah versus Emperor. C is the answer. R versus गोविंदा में 299 and 300 के बारे में बताया गया, डिफरेंस के बारे में बताया गया था. फिर वीरेंद्र कुमार घोष किस पर है? 34 पर. R वर्सेस प्रिंस किस पर है? मैंसरिया पर. मिस्टेक ऑफ फैक्ट्स पर. Next 9, A denied food to his wife B for several days by keeping her confined in a room with the intention to accelerate her death. B ultimately managed to escape. In this case, A is guilty for attempt to murder. A is the answer. Next 10, an Indian citizen murders an Australian citizen in Sydney and absconded. He is found by Indian police in Mumbai. He, with the previous sanction of the central government, can be prosecuted in India at any place where it is found. तो found कहाँ पर है? मुंबई में, तो मुंबई में prosecute होगा. C is the answer. Next 11, A meets a bullock carrying a box of treasure. He drives the bullock in certain direction in order that he may dishonestly take the treasure. A commits theft as soon as the bullock begins to move. C is the answer. ये illustration है section 378 theft में. This is 12, in which of the following case Supreme Court held that legal and valid marriage is not necessary ingredient under section 498A. ये recent case था ये, रीमा versus अनुपम. A is the answer. Next 13, every doctor is not responsible under section 304A for death of a person due to negligent operation unless his intention is culpable. This was laid down in जैकब मैथ्यू वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब, ये भी बड़ा फेमस केस है, सी इज द आंसर। Next 14, A intended to commit theft, enter the house of B in the night, removes one of the room, a box to the courtyard where he opens it. He does not find in the box anything worth taking and leave the box there, goes away. And leaving the box there goes away. In this case, A is liable for house trespass plus an attempt to commit theft. D is the answer. गैप आना चाहिए यहाँ पर। Next 15, an act committed or omitted in violation of public law forbidding or commanding it is a crime. It is said by William Blackstone. B is the answer. Next 16, in which of the following case prosecution witness was prosecuted for perjury? इस क्वेश्चन को डिलीट कर दिया गया था। नेक्स्ट 17, पावर टू डायरेक्ट टेंडर पार्डन सेक्शन 307 किसके पास है? देखिए ये क्वेश्चन में प्रॉपर नहीं है, बिकॉज इसमें जो है आंसर होना चाहिए कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन। 306 में है वो है एनी मजिस्ट्रेट, तो इसमें वैसे आंसर हो सकता है नन ऑफ दी अबव। कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन की पावर है इसमें टेंडर पार्डन 307 में, मजिस्ट्रेट की पावर कहाँ पर है 306 में। तो अब इसमें देखिए कमिटल कोर्ट जो कमिट कर रहा है, फिर ट्रायल कोर्ट जो ट्रायल कर रहा है, तो मैजिस्ट्रेट भी ट्राई कर सकता है, पर यहाँ पर होना चाहिए था कोर्ट टू विच इट इज़ कमिटेड, द कोर्ट टू विच कमिटमेंट इज मेड, जो कि मेंशन किया गया सेक्शन 307 में। तो डी इसका आंसर रहेगा। नेक्स्ट 18, हाई कोर्ट कैन नॉट डायरेक्टली एंटरटेन द बेल एप्लीकेशन ऑफ कोटा अक्यूज पर्सन विदाउट रिफ्यूजल बाय स्पेशल कोर्ट। देखिए रिपीट क्वेश्चन है ये, कौन सा केस है ये? स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात वर्सेस सलीम भाई अब्दुल गफूर शेख। बी इज द आंसर। Next 19, Constitution Bench of Supreme Court in judgment Hardeep Singh versus State of Punjab decided on so and so settled controversy regarding section 319. C is the answer. Next 20, the power to grant anticipatory bail under section 438 with the Court of Session and High Court both. D is the answer. Next 21, a refusal to answer the question put to witness under section 161 is an offence under section 179 IPC. B is the answer. Next 22, a habitual offender may be asked to execute a bond for his good behavior for a period not exceeding 3 years. C is the answer. सेक्शन कौन सा है habitual offender का बॉन्ड के लिए? 110 of CRPC. Next 23, as per amendment 2008 of CRPC, the new definition that was inserted under section 2AA is of विक्टिम। बी इज़ द आंसर। विक्टिम कॉम्पनसेशन स्कीम कहाँ पर है? 357A में। नेक्स्ट 24, एज मेंशन इन सेक्शन 305 CRPC, पर्सन डिस्चार्ज अंडर सेक्शन 258 shall not be tried again for the same offence except with the consent of the court by which discharge or any other court to which the first mentioned court is subordinate. A is the answer. Next 25, who can commute sentence of imprisonment of life under CRPC? Appropriate government. A is the answer. सेक्शन कौन सा है ये? 433 CRPC. Next 26, if in a trial of warrant case the magistrate finds the accused not guilty, he shall acquit him. B is the answer. वारंट ट्रायल कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? 238 से और 250 तक, एंड दिस इज सेक्शन 248. Next 27, in CRPC, the power of court to convert someone's case into warrant case is available under section 259. B is the answer. Next 28, how many minimum number of judges of High Court are required to sign the confirmation death sentence? Minimum 2. C is the answer. Section कौन सा है ये? 369 CRPC. Next 29, the mandatory provision in relation to providing medical treatment by all hospitals to victims of specific crime free of cost immediately is provided under which section? 357C. C is the answer. Next 30, in which of the following case it was held that identity of victim is not to be disclosed even in judgment of a court? Dinesh versus State of Rajasthan. B is the answer. Next 31, provision contained in section 141 creates a constructive liability on the person responsible for the conduct of business of the company was laid down in. इस क्वेश्चन को जो है डिलीट कर दिया गया था, ये कंपनी के बारे में पूछ लिया यहाँ पर। ये है तो ये नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्ट का, बट ये ऑप्शंस ठीक नहीं थे इसमें। नेक्स्ट 32, सेक्शन 142A ऑफ नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्ट वाज इंसर्टेड बाय एक्ट 26 ऑफ 2015. A is the answer. Next 33, for the purpose of explanation to section 138 negotiable instrument act, debt or other liability means a legally enforceable debt or other liability. B is the answer. Next 34, complaint under section 138 must contain the following ingredient: that there is legally enforceable debt, check was drawn from the account of bank for discharge in whole or in part of any debt or other liability which presupposes a legally enforceable debt, a check so issued has been returned due to insufficiency of funds. All of the above, D is the answer. Next 35, section 145 of NI Act deals with cognizance of offences कहाँ पर है? 142 में, offences by company 141 में, presumption in favor of holder 139 है, evidence on affidavit 145 है, तो D इसका आंसर हो गया. Next 36, section 2J of Himachal Pradesh Excise Act deals with the definition of export. D is the answer. डी नेचर कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? 2E में, मेडिसिन प्रिपरेशन 2P में एंड वेयर हाउस ZC में. नेक्स्ट 37, व्हाट इज द पेनल्टी फॉर अनलॉफुल प्रोडक्शन, मैन्युफैक्चर, पोजेशन, इंपोर्ट, एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, सेल अंडर हिमाचल प्रदेश एक्साइज एक्ट? तो इम्प्रिजनमेंट कितनी है? अप टू 3 years एंड फाइन 2 लाख. ए इज द आंसर. सेक्शन कौन सा है ये? सेक्शन है 39 ऑफ एक्साइज एक्ट. 38, section 79 of Himachal Pradesh Excise Act deals with protection of action taken in good faith. B is the answer. Next 39, chapter 9 of HP Excise Act deals with appeals and revision. A is the answer. Next 40, license for sale in more than one district as per in section 28 of Excise Act shall be granted by finance commissioner only. C is the answer. Next is 41, section 215 Wildlife Protection Act defines habitat. C is the answer. Next 42, chapter 3A of Wildlife Protection Act deals with protection of specified plants. C is the answer. Next 43, the time limit for completion of acquisition proceeding under section 25A of Wildlife Protection Act is within 2 years from date of notification or declaration of sanctuary under section 18. A is the answer. Next 44, the National Tiger Conservation Authority means Tiger Conservation Authority constituted under section 38 LO Wildlife Protection Act. B is the answer. Next 45, section 38J of Wildlife Protection Act deals with prohibition of teasing etc. in a zoo. B is the answer. Next 46, section 24A of Indian Forest Act deals with the definition of owner. B is the answer. Next 47, the power to impose duty on timber and other forest produce, section 39 of the Indian Forest Act vests in central government. A is the answer. Next 48, section 45 Indian Forest Act deals with certain kind of timber to be deemed property of government until thereto proved may be collected accordingly. A is the answer. Next 49, formation of village forest are dealt by which of the following section of Indian Forest Act? That is section 28. B is the answer. Next 50, contravention of the act provided under section 26 Indian Forest Act leads to a penalty of imprisonment for a term which may extend 6 months of fine extend to 500 rupees, or with both. B is the answer. So friends, here we have discussed all the questions of preliminary exam paper of Himachal Pradesh Judicial Services 2019 पेपर क्रिमिनल लॉ. अगर आपको इसमें कोई कमी लगी हो, कुछ सजेशंस और कोई एडवाइस हो, तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर भी लिख सकते हैं. वी ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट योर कमेंट्स एंड फीडबैक. And friends, if you like the efforts, kindly give a super thanks. Super thanks is a way to help the content creator. Means if you like the videos, you can just donate some money to them in form of tips. Minimum starts with 20. Minimum is 20 rupees. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी, इसको जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. And while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. So friends, thank you. Thanks very much for watching this video. Thank you.